Patrick Miller, 175 pounds. Juab, top 25 All-Stars, third place match. Be patient! Union. Finish! Climb, climb! Hey, be smarter to here, Patrick! Heavy on your toes!
Why is it on us?
I don't know why.
Hey, hey. I was just curious.
Oh, he had his leg trapped?
You can't trap his leg up for more than 5 seconds. Yeah.
It's like the first time anybody's ever called that.
They'll call it, but normally they go like start counting out loud so you know they're counting.
No, it's coming, yeah. Keep that arm blocked. Separate that leg. Separate that leg.
44-pound wrestlers, please make your way to the awards area.
Hey, hard snap on this leg. Pop the hip out, Patrick. Oh, you got to follow those. Stance, movement, movement, movement. Say, don't hang out over top. Don't hang out.
Watch that knee.
Shoot off of that. Movement.
3, 2, 1.
You want to let him?
I gotta hear this.
Hey, hey, ride. Feel it out, feel it out. Hip, stay on the hip, hip. Pick it up. Oh, that was a good one. I almost said block his hip.
That was a good throw.
Yeah.
It's all right, buddy.
I was about to tell you, block his hip, block his hip.
Hey, their coach does. He has a lot of throws.